Hi guys, last time we were talking about the dark green line, which is this one. This time we're changing. So this time we will be talking about the what do you call it? The green line. No, the golden line. Okay. So this time we will be talking about the golden line. So this is the first station, G1. G stands for gold. So G1 its name is Groom. Okay, so it's Groom Station or Tunbury City Station, and so it is also connected to a station. It is also connected to the dark green line that we talked about it last time, and then it's and then it's a station, and then the second station or G2 is called Jaranakon. Okay, Jaranakon. So at this station, it has a famous mall that we recovered about it last time, named Siam Paragon. No, wrong. No. Siam Paragon is at a station called Siam over here, which we will talk it, which we will talk about, which we will talk about it other times because the green line, or basically the light green line that you're seeing here is super long. Just look at it. It's like from the bottom of the map going to the top. Okay, you understand, right? It's like more than 30 stations, right? Like, I'm not sure how many stations. Okay, so this station, G2 or Gold 2, the second station in the Gold Line, is called Jaranakon. So, uh, it so basically it has a famous mall named Icon Siam there. Okay, and then it's a station, and then it's G3. Its name is Klong San, which in the future it will be connected with a red line, with a red line. Okay, which both of them have the same names. And then in the future, uh, the government or yeah, I think the government or the BTS Bangkok Transit System will uh uh or maybe I'm not sure what BTS stands for. Maybe Bangkok Transit System, or maybe like Bangkok train system. I'm not sure. So basically, in the future, they will extend the Gold Line. Okay, and this information is they will extend it, and in 2030, it will have fourth station. The fourth station in the future, it will also be connected with another underground train station, which is the purple line, which only a few is built. Now the purple line has only 16 stations, but in the future it will finish all the stations. And right now I saw it building. Okay, but well anyway, thing we will that we want you to know is that in the future, the government will extend the Gold Line to have four stations, which the four stations will have the same name as the 24th station of the Purple Line, which its name will be Bridge. Okay, Memorial Bridge, or its Thai name is Sapan Put. So this bridge is built. It's a memorial bridge. The word sapan mean meaning bridge. Okay, so the word sapan in the word in sapanput in the name sapanput means bridge. Okay, sapan means bridge. Okay, so we got the word bridge already, and then we need to talk about these three letters. So it is so it says put. It says put. So put meaning พระพุทธยอดฟ้า or basically พระพุทธยอดฟ้าจุฬาโลกมหาราช so uh, so put is just a shorter name of พระพุทธยอดฟ้าจุฬาโลกมหาราช or พระพุทธ so if you're wondering that what or who in the world is พระพุทธ or พระพุทธยอดฟ้าจุฬาโลกมหาราช the answer is that person is a king. That person is King Rama 1. Okay, so King Rama 1. And like basically this bridge is built like when King Rama 9 was like 10 years old. Now that bridge, this is a bridge that connects the Thonburi Island to the Ratanakosin Island. So you see over here, this square thing. This is the Ratanakosin Island, and this over here is the Thonburi Island. Okay. Yeah. You get the idea, right? Yeah. So this is all for the Golden Line. See you next time for another what do you call it? Another line. Okay. Another line. Okay. So bye.